Roadside Rescues 2026, Episode 1. First, there's a trash can with these tapes. Then another house had this box of 2 Dell items. And this was closer to home, this nice vintage lamp that's going to need a record. It's cold this morning. No bulb, a bit of spider webs in there. I'll probably keep this, put this on my night table. Oh, I could put it on that night table. I was thinking about my other one that I use for TV storage, because I'm a weirdo. Ugh. It's humid too, so turn back home and I can't even drop this stuff off and change clothes. Mostly John Wayne. The winner, I think, first winner, is Pink Floyd The Wall. Dell. Ooh, this looks like a gaming laptop. 15-inch. Ooh, nice. 2015 AP 3880. Ooh, factory. TechCom Shanghai Computer Co. Limited. They always made Dell stuff in almost in previous days, in recent times. But this will replace my Vostro 3550 because the screen is kind of clerco-torculating. Oh man, look at that. Best roadside. Oh man, nice. Look at that. Hope it works. We've got the old tape over the webcam. Nice. It's not too disgusting. That's awesome. If it works, that's another story. Here's a power supply. I wonder if it works. What if these are like my new main computers now? Oh, I just found them on the side of the road, they're my main computers. Yeah, that's, wow. This might be my first complete roadside computer find. I found a case with a bunch of fans in it, but I didn't take it. Okay. This thing is so light. Ooh. Oh. Okay. Microsoft authorized something Core i5 inside. It is a 3040 power supply. HDMI display port. Okay, cut here while I get a screwdriver. Okay. Stay tuned for the next episode. Just kidding. It's all there. Okay, no hard drive. That's good. It's got a 5 1/4-inch bay. Huh. She's pretty clean. Ooh, look at that. That's interesting. Ooh, Toshiba lithium-ion battery. Oh no, it's gonna blow up. Yeah, there's no hard drive in here. That's good. Good for data safety. Yeah, no roaches either. It's pretty clean. Look at that. Since this is a business, I'll show the label. Yeah, it almost came apart. I was holding it right there. My hand tucked under that for extra support. Okay, it's got a Mississauga, Ontario. It's shipped to some place in Aurora, Colorado. We're not in Aurora, Colorado. What is wrong with me? So yeah, that's who it's from, that's who it's to. We're not in Colorado, so yeah, computers to computers. Shipping it to their other place. Renewed. New. Wow, what a score. I'll have to set this up with Windows 10. It's probably all it supports, as old as it supports. And in another video, we'll check this out after I wire it up.